Guys, ngani nje ukuthi ngicabanga lento engicabangayo nami. Phela akwazi umdala noXhoki bashone boyi2 same time like dead gone. This can't happen. I'm thinking mina ukuthi uXhoki nomdala are staging their death so that Cohen and everyone can get off their backs. Angazi guys, but these guys can't die. Ben worried kahle kahle eqaleni ukuthi what if they are going to be arrested and stuff, but now that they are dead or they are announced to be dead, I'm a bit relieved because I'm like at the back of my mind now, nah man, they did not die. I think they faked their death. Now they are going to live happily ever after. And I want to talk about that and more here on this video, but before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get into the video. Now there is an episode umdala was successful in getting imali yonke le mali ledingayo. Angazi ukuthi where this whole thing is going or where this whole plot is going, but engikwaziyo ukuthi these guys can't die. Umdala noXhoki cannot die. Phela uNandipha Magudumana and our Thabo Bester laba, they cannot die. I've been saying the writer of this show is a genius. Whoever that lady is, she is a real genius. What she did there, I see where the story is going. This is a Thabo Bester story. So, which is why I believe Uti, Umdala noXhoki, they didn't die. Kalana, when the story less, what would Gwijon Beno no Paruchito Makorela did there within the river, and Skase Pera Lapan, but near that Rosemary scene with Cindy last. And she killed it. I know who's Nabum now. They are doing all of this so that Detective Cohen and everyone can be convinced with Bashonil, and then they could get off their backs. And then intwana zambe sezibuye ngamandla lapho seziphila happily ever after. So that is why I got excited after seeing this funeral. No man, laba will never die. They're just going to leave them mhlambe bahambe baye phesheya with the money that they've stolen eBecha Fela, and then baphile kamnandi laphayana bese kuphela kanje le TV scandal. But then angazi guys, could it happen ukuthi bazoshona ngaphela? No man, guys, comment there in the comment section nje ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi bashone ngempela yena uXhoki nomdala noma were being given that Thabo Bester Nandipha Magudumana story. So comment there in the comment section, share thoughts, share opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.